Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to find the real value of x in this radical equation. 3 divided by x minus 1 equal to the square root of x divided by 2. Let us talk about domain first. You should know that denominator cannot be 0. Therefore, this x minus 1 cannot be equal to 0. And this is only true if x equal to 1, right? So therefore, x can never be equal to 1 in this particular equation, because if x is 1, we have 1 minus 1 equal to 0. And for the square root of x, the input x must be greater or equal to 0, right? But we have seen that 1 is also within this range. So we can say that x is greater or equal to 0, that is except x equal to 1. We don't want this situation. So it has to be greater than 0, also not equal to 1. But any other value may satisfy. That is positive values. So let's get started. Since we have square root here, to undo the square root, we can square both sides. So if you square the left hand side, it will be 3 squared divided by x minus 1 also squared, right? Equal to this squared will give us, okay, let me just write everything. This squared divided by 2 squared. This will give us 9 divided by, I think the expansion of this will give us x squared minus 2x plus 1. Yes, this is the expansion of this. First time squared minus 2 times this will give us negative 2x. Then negative 1 squared is 1. This is equal to square root of x squared is just x divided by 4. Now you can cross multiply. Take the whole of this and multiply by this. X times x squared will give us x cubed minus 2x times x will give us 2x squared. Then 1 times x will give us positive x equals 9 times 4 is 36. But I may decide to bring this 36 inside. So the right hand side will be 0. So this is x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 36 equals 0. If you factorize this, you are going to get x minus 4 multiplied by x squared plus 2x plus 9. This is the factorized form of this. But from here, you're only going to obtain complex solution. So remember I said we are looking for real solutions. If you like to find the complex solution, you can use the general formula for solving quadratic equation to solve this one. So as you take this one to the other side, x will be equal to 4. And this is the only real solution, and you can test it. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So to the right hand side, we have 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 1 equal to 1, meaning x equal to 4 is a solution. But let me show you something very interesting. We know that this is 9, right? 9 divided by x minus 1 squared equal to x divided by 4. You cross multiply. This is x times x minus 1 squared equal to 36. You should know that this number here is a positive number, right? A positive number. And a positive number must be multiplied by another positive number in order to get a positive output. So we are looking for factors of 36. 1 times 6, 2 times, is it 13? No, 3 times 13. And also 2 times 18. This combination. But I know this will satisfy 4 multiplied by 9. Yes, you can test the rest, where x is 4 and the x minus 1 to the power of 2 is 9. So if x is 4, let's test this one and see whether we're going to get x equal to 4 again. So x minus 1 to the power of 2 equal to 9, which implies that x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 3, right? Plus or minus 3, but we are going to take the positive result, because we have seen that x is a positive number. As you take this one to the other side, it becomes positive. So x will definitely be equal to 4. Simple.